Hi, everyone. It's Kanesha from boldlivingtoday.com. How are you doing today? I am so excited to curate this incredible retreat experience for you. It's called the UnRush Yourself Retreat and Mastermind. It's specifically designed to help you do what it says, unrush yourself. Over the last 2 years, we've all been inundated with a lot of transitions, changes, unfun things, stress, anxiety inducing things that really have derailed a lot of people in the plans, the goals, the dreams, the growth, the areas that they wanted to focus on. And so I have spent the last 2 years really redesigning some of my curricular materials to help people quickly learn how to center themselves and put themselves in the front row of their lives. And so with the Unrush Yourself retreat, I'm really focused on how people can build time and space to have luxury in their day-to-day lives. And I'm not just talking about luxury that's focused on spending money or taking bubble baths, but I'm really talking about setting the pace, setting the tone for your life so that you feel luxurious in everything that you do. We do not have to leave luxury only to the weekends. We can have luxurious moments, sumptuous events, time to rest and unwind, and really have space to breathe energy into what matters most to us. And that is all part of luxury. And so in this Unrush Yourself retreat, we're really going to be focused on untangling from chaotic thinking, learning how to love ourselves deeply, even when things are hard, and having time and space to really believe that we can do the things that matter most to us. A lot of times we make a lot of excuses on why now is not the right time. Well, this is your time. It's time to unrush yourself. It's time to come to this retreat. It's time to luxuriate, and it's time to get bolder. So join us this June. We have 6 spots for 6 incredible women for this 3-day, 2-night retreat. And we also have a VIP option so that you could have 4 days and 3 nights and work with me individually. So check out the information here. We also have our open house video that you can check out to learn more information about what we're planning for the Unrush Yourself retreat. And it's going to be an incredible time. I have had so much time curating this, and I've had previous participants who came to these mini retreats, to the Unrush Yourself retreat, and they didn't know they needed it. And now it has breathed life and energy and just a air of ease into what they have to do. So see you in June. Sign up today, get your spot, and let's work together and get bolder.